is Murthy. I am a chief engineer for St. Mark's Hotel, working from last 19 years. Our main goal is to see that we save energy as well as the cost of operating the hotel. That is our main goal. 25 to 30% of power has been saved after installation of this Turbocor chiller. And it's been working from last 4.5 years, 24/7. It's a very good product. One is the compressor is very small and tiny compressor. And secondly, we have seen this compressor doesn't have ball bearing and there's no oil in it. It reduces the maintenance on the compressor. The maintenance comes down drastically. Thirdly, the noise level is very low. Fourthly, it has been driven by a low starting current. It starts with 0 amps and slowly picks up, which doesn't harm our generator. After installation of this particular product, that is a Turbocor chiller, we have saved enormous amount of money as well as the electrical units, thereby keeping the environment also in mind, not damaging the environment.